Hey there, it's Stu Beans from the Little House of Beans, and we're going to give away this Martin 2-burner 20,000 BTU stove. Stick around, I'll tell you how you can win it. It's a contest, it's a YouTube giveaway, whatever you want to say. And this is little Chopin, who just had arm surgery. Hey guys, don't look at my paw, I'm embarrassed about it. So let's give this thing away. I just posted maybe an hour ago what I should give away next from a picture of gear that I no longer use, and I'd rather not go through the hassle of selling, and I'd rather just pay it forward. So I'm just going to give stuff away, and it seemed to be a very popular answer today to give away this Martin Deluxe propane stove, which we have used extensively for the last 8 months or so. I recently bought a bigger stove because our pots and pans and our cooking style warrants a bigger stove. But I have used this and I love it. 20,000 BTUs, very powerful. I can make my coffee and pretty much everything. So I'm going to give this away. I'll let you know how we're going to do that in a minute. But first, before we do anything, let's confirm that it works. So oddly, I saved the box. So we're going to confirm it works on video, so you know what you're getting. And there, I've gone and ripped the box again. It's used, right? It's not like we're sponsored or anything like that. Martin doesn't know who we are. So what you will get is the stove and the regulator. So here it is. I've got it hooked up to propane. I'll clean this up a little bit. I mean, it's in pretty good shape, to be quite truthful, considering how often we camp. I think it's in pretty good shape. Let's just validate that it works. So you can hear the gas on both sides. Piezo light doesn't work. How about, let's turn that off. How about this side? Okay, so the piezo light doesn't work. So what do we do? What do you think we do? We get a lighter. So there you go. I mean, it has worked in the past, but there's one. And there's two. So as long as you can put up with this potentially not working. I mean, it didn't work for us for this test. Listen to these bad boys. These can crank. And sorry about the noise. What I really like about these is you can really dial these down to a serious simmer. It's got great flame control. I did do an entire video review on this. I suppose I could put the links below if you guys want to watch that. In any event, let's talk about how to give this away. Okay, it's very important that you read the description of this video. That's where the contest rules will be. You know, if you live in Madagascar, I suppose that you're exempt from winning this. Only folks in the lower 48. So how do we do it? 2 things you need to do to be entered. Subscribe to the channel, and in the comments below, put the very first dish that you would cook on this beloved Martin propane stove. That's all you need to do to be entered. Be a subscriber and put the very first dish that you would cook on the stove while camping or not, preferably while camping, and that's how you enter. And I'll post the dates of when the contest will run in the description below. And then we'll use a random comment picker to choose the winner. I did the same thing with the coffee maker. We'll use a YouTube random comment picker to choose the winner. This way, anybody who left a comment will be entered in. And that is it. Hopefully, my wife is out finding a box to to ship this in. I'm going to pick up the tab for shipping, so it doesn't cost you anything. Once I'm done with this video, I am going to clean this up. I have some stainless cleaner right over there, so I'm going to clean this up as best as I can, and hopefully one of you wins the stove. We'll run a contest for about 10 days or so. So that's it for now. If you didn't know, my name is Stu Beans, my wife Edie. We have the little channel, the Little House of Beans, where we do product reviews, and Edie does a lot of cooking videos and a lot of recipes for camping, and we also do campsite reviews. Oftentimes I will try to do my best to show you every single site at a campground. Most of those videos wind up being pretty long, but you could sift through them to find out which site you might be interested in. In any event, if you like the content, smash, do all that YouTube jazz, and we'll see you in 10 days. We'll see who wins. Thanks for watching Florida Tent Camping. Love you guys.